In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with QuickBooks support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to type so you can get help from a live agent quickly and with less back and forth. Start by heading to QuickBooks in your web browser and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. From your dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the Help option. Depending on your layout, it may appear as the word Help or a small question mark icon. Click it to open the Help panel on the right side of the page. Inside that panel, click into the search field. This opens the area where you can type what you need. Here's a simple trick. Type, "Contact us." You can also include a brief phrase about your issue to help route you, but "Contact us" is the key phrase that reveals the right option. After typing, glance down toward the bottom of the panel. You should see a Contact Us link appear beneath the suggested help articles. Click Contact Us to open the support options. This screen is designed to guide you to the best channel. Look for the option to chat with us. It might be labeled Chat with Us, Start Chat, or Message Us, and it becomes available during support hours. If you don't immediately see it, double-check that you're signed in and that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since the chat window may open in a new tab or as a pop-up. When the chat form appears, fill in the required fields and add a short, clear description of what you need help with. A helpful format is one sentence that names the feature and the outcome you want, plus any exact error message wording you've seen. Keep it concise and specific so the agent can route you correctly. If there's an option to attach a screenshot, include one that highlights the issue without revealing any private details. Make sure your information is accurate, then submit the form. Leave the chat window open while you wait to be connected. If you step away, keep the tab active so you don't miss the agent's first message. Once connected, the agent may verify some account details and then start troubleshooting with you. If your situation is better handled by a call, they'll guide you through that transition from within the chat. That's all you need to start a QuickBooks support chat. Follow these steps, provide a clear summary, and you'll be on your way to a faster resolution.